मेरी छाती चीर के देखिए, मोदी जी नजर आएंगे, चुनाव जीतते ही नीतीश कुमार को जेल भेजेंगे। एलजेपी के चिराग पासवान और उनकी बड़ी बड़ी बातें। बट आर दीज बड़ी बातें हैपनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ सम बड़ी हिडन अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिटवीन द बीजेपी एंड द एलजेपी? डज द बीजेपी हैव अ हिडन डील विथ द एलजेपी? 61% people say yes, according to a C voter survey. Ever since the LJP separated from the NDA but decided to fight the Bihar elections in the BJP's name, all the while mudslinging Nitish Kumar, the belief that the BJP has a hidden deal with the LJP is consistent across rural and urban Bihar, with 58.4% people in North Bihar to 63% in East Bihar thinking so. If you thought these were strikingly huge figures that should really worry Nitish Kumar, here are a few other findings with regards to the alleged BJP-LJP deal that have equally surprising results. Has LJP's stand confused the voters? 57.7% voters think that by going solo and still fighting elections using PM Modi's name, LJP has created confusion among the voters, while 42.3% voters did not feel so. And this confusion can be evidently seen by the results of the next question, which was, who is the real NDA? BJP JDU or is it BJP LJP? 57.3% people said that the BJP JDU alliance is the real NDA, while 42.7% people said that BJP LJP is the real NDA. Now 42.7% isn't a small amount, and this despite BJP leaders repeatedly confirming on record to say that they have nothing to do with the LJP. However, PM Modi hasn't attacked the LJP in his speeches, and that really doesn't help this scenario. In fact, PM Modi began his first rally by paying tribute to Ram Vilas Paswan, who recently passed away, and said that he stood by him till his last breath. Here are some more figures related to this question. In the Magad Bhojpur region, where the LJP has a strong presence, 45.2% respondents said that BJP LJP is the real NDA, as opposed to 54.8% who said it is BJP JDU. In contrast, in East Bihar, 61.6% said that BJP JDU alliance is the real NDA, and 39.4% said that it's BJP LJP. If you were unsure whether the LJP leaving will harm NDA or anybody, here's the next question. Will LJP going solo harm NDA's prospects? 59.3% people feel that the LJP going solo could harm the NDA, while 40.7% said it won't. In the Magad Bhojpur region, LJP's stronghold, 64.1% people said that it will harm the NDA. In Simanchal, 66.2% said the same. If one follows the election campaigns closely, Chirag Paswan's entire campaign has only been about targeting JDU and Nitish Kumar instead of calling out the RJD and the Mahagathbandhan. So, this begs the question, could the LJP join hands with RJD after the polls? 53.3% people said they could join hands with the RJD, while 46.7% said they couldn't. In East Bihar, 63% people thought that Chirag Paswan could switch and join hands with the RJD after the polls. Now, interestingly, this is the same region where the largest proportion of people said that JDU BJP is the real NDA, which means the LJP's credentials as an NDA party are the weakest in East Bihar. Now, coming back to why 61% people think that BJP LJP have a hidden deal. There have been several contributing factors to it, but one of the biggest indicators is the RSS factor. इस आग को हवा तब मिली when LJP started fielding top Bihar BJP leaders, several with an RSS background, as candidates under its symbol. One of the prominent examples is former Bihar BJP Vice President Rajendra Singh. Ex-BJP or RSS leaders have been fielded in several seats where they are likely to woo BJP votes which would have otherwise gone to JDU candidates. At least 20 leaders with a BJP or RSS background have been given tickets by Chirag Paswan. Several of these leaders on social media are asking for votes in the name of BJP and PM Modi but are contesting on an LJP ticket. Several people associated with the RSS are actively campaigning for LJP candidates in select seats. In many seats, RSS cadres are working for JDU candidates, but whenever and wherever the LJP candidate has a BJP or RSS background, preference is given clearly to the latter. And all this because many RSS cadres want Bihar's first BJP government, And as Chirag Paswan openly said that he wants the same, his party has become a natural option for the RSS in JDU seats. While the LJP has put up candidates against smaller allies like Hindustan Awam Morcha and Vikashsheel Insan Party, it's competing with the BJP only in a handful of seats. And interestingly, top BJP leaders like PM Modi didn't speak against Chirag Paswan or campaign against candidates like Rajendra Singh. Whether there is a deal or not will never be admitted by either of the parties. But if these observations hold any ground, along with the figures of the C voter survey, the confusion is very much evident, and this is a serious cause of concern for Nitish Kumar.